Hello designers! Are you dreaming of a stylish home that's also kind to the planet? Today we're diving into sustainable interior design featuring insights from 3 expert designers at Planner 5D. From zero-waste interiors to smart home technology and biophilic design, we'll cover practical ways to make your home more sustainable. And just as a quick heads up, Planner 5D does offer a 7-day pro trial where you will have access to all of our incredible design features. So if you want to try out any of these sustainable design tips, now's the perfect time to do so. I would also love it so much if we could get around 200 likes on this video. Show some love to the planet and to the Planner 5D channel by hitting that like button. All right, let's get started. Our first designer at Planner 5D, Vanessa, focuses on minimizing waste and rethinking material choices to create a sustainable home. Number 1 on Vanessa's list is zero-waste interiors. Instead of constantly replacing furniture, invest in high-quality pieces that last. Want to take it a step further? Consider fully biodegradable furniture designed with materials that can be recycled or will naturally decompose. This aligns with the cradle-to-cradle philosophy, where every element is reusable or biodegradable. Number 2 on Vanessa's list is rethinking material choices. Sustainability isn't just about avoiding plastic, it's about choosing materials that actively benefit the environment. Swap out plastic, MDF, and synthetic foams for renewable options like mycelium, bamboo, or hempcrete. Even your walls can help contribute to sustainability. CO2 capturing paints like Kelor can absorb carbon dioxide, improving air quality while reducing emissions. And last on Vanessa's list is smart homes and energy efficiency. Technology can actually make homes greener. For example, thermostats like Nest and Tadu learn your habits and adjust temperatures efficiently, while motion sensor lighting like Philips Hue ensures you never waste electricity. Alexandra, our second Planner 5D designer, emphasizes natural light, energy efficiency, and adaptable furniture. Number 1 on her list is maximizing natural light. Good design takes advantage of natural light to cut down on artificial lighting during the day. Think large windows, skylights, and smart layout planning. But don't forget insulation. Features like low-E glass, thermal curtains, and exterior sun control can regulate indoor temperatures year-round. Number 2 on Alexandra's list is multifunctional and modular furniture. Modular and multifunctional furniture helps a space evolve without frequent replacements. Consider modular shelving, adaptable sofas, and height-adjustable desks. And last thing on Alexandra's list is biophilic design and bringing nature indoors. That can mean letting in more natural light, using organic materials, or adding greenery to purify the air and create a calming vibe. It also includes smart airflow design. Cross-ventilation and operable skylights can help release hot air that rises, keeping your space cooler and reducing the need for artificial heating or cooling. And don't forget indoor-outdoor flow. Features like sliding glass walls, indoor patios, or covered outdoor areas can blur the line between inside and out, making your space feel more open and connected to nature. And to round off the list, we have Evelina, Planner 5D's principal interior designer. She highlights how small, everyday choices can make a really big impact on sustainability. Number 1 on Evelina's list is buy less and choose better. Fast furniture often ends up in landfills. Instead, invest in timeless, high-quality pieces that will last. Number 2 is to choose natural and renewable materials. Materials like bamboo, cork, and organic cotton are great examples of renewable, low-impact choices that require less energy to produce and naturally break down over time. Plants offer similar benefits, bringing that same nature-first approach while adding warmth, softness, and a lived-in sense of calm. Number 3 on her list is sustainable lighting. Opt for LED bulbs, install dimmers, and use smart lighting systems to reduce unnecessary energy consumption. Maximizing natural light with mirrors and light-reflective surfaces can also brighten your space without extra electricity. Number 4 is reduce, reuse, recycle, and declutter. Furniture accounts for roughly 12.2 million tons of waste every year, and that's just in America. How do we fix that? Start by repurposing what you already have or simply rearranging your space. And when something truly no longer serves you, donate it instead of sending it to the landfill. Now let us know in the comments what's one sustainable change that you would like to make in your own home. And don't forget, you can use Planner 5D's Pro Tools free for 7 days, and the link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.